Learn how to seamlessly integrate your Vocable platform with social media networks like LinkedIn and X. Once you're in the Integrations tab, click on the plus sign on the bottom right. Then click on the LinkedIn logo. Choose Profile if you are connecting an individual LinkedIn profile. If you are connecting a business page, choose Organizations. Type in your login credentials as if you are logging into your LinkedIn. Then proceed to sign in. And finally select the Allow option. And there you go. Now your connected LinkedIn channel appears on your integrations as active. You can now select it whenever you're ready to publish a post. To add a new channel, select the plus sign again at the bottom right. Click on the X logo. In this step, it will typically prompt you to enter your X login credentials. Then click on Authorize App. And there you go. Now your connected X channel appears on your integrations as active. You can select it whenever you're ready to publish a post. Social profiles are easy to integrate, so you can repeat the process for as many LinkedIn and X profiles as you need.